Yo por ti me tiro toda la noche. Llévate, actívate, así pégate, que te quiero ver. Te bajo de jugar, es una mujer, es una mujer, esta noche la pasamos bien.
Fashion world stopped for a moment as BTS member Kim Taehyung, globally known as V, made his breathtaking arrival at the highly anticipated Celine fashion show during Paris Fashion Week 2026. Fans, photographers, fashion critics, and celebrities gathered outside the venue hours before the event, hoping to witness one of the biggest style icons of this generation. The excitement reached an entirely new level the moment Taehyung's vehicle arrived. Cheers erupted from every corner as thousands of armies welcomed him with endless love, proving once again that his influence extends far beyond music. From the very first step onto the red carpet, Taehyung showcased why he is regarded as one of the most fashionable celebrities in the world. His confidence, elegance, and natural charisma instantly captured everyone's attention. Every camera lens followed his movements, while photographers eagerly called out his name, hoping to capture the perfect shot. His calm smile, effortless poses, and graceful interactions transformed the red carpet into a memorable fashion moment that instantly began trending across social media platforms. Taehyung's outfit reflected Celine's signature aesthetic while perfectly matching his own sophisticated style. The carefully tailored silhouette, premium fabrics, and luxurious accessories created a timeless appearance that blended classic elegance with modern fashion.
Hey everyone,
Every
and welcome
detail,
back to a new
from his
update. And just
hairstyle
moments
to his
ago,
polished
we
shoes,
arrived at the Celine
demonstrated
Fashion Show.
why
Finally, the
fashion
global
experts
ambassador is
consistently
back at Paris
praise his
Fashion Week once
exceptional
again.
taste.
The last time he
Rather
attended
than
was
simply
8
wearing
months
designer
ago, so
clothing,
seeing him there
Taehyung
again
brought the
is truly
entire
amazing.
look
And
to
also,
life
can we
with
please
his
take a
unique
moment to
personality and
appreciate V's
confidence.
hard work, because
The
just
atmosphere
yesterday,
outside the
actually
venue was
only a
electric.
few hours ago, he was
Fans from around
performing
the
at a
world had
concert in
traveled to
Madrid
Paris
and
just
gave
for the
such a powerful
opportunity to catch a
performance.
glimpse of
BTS
their
completely
favorite
light up the
artist.
stage in Madrid
Many
yesterday,
proudly
and
waved
today
BT's
he's
light
attending the
sticks,
Celine Fashion
displayed
Show.
handmade
Yes, the
banners,
flight from
and
Madrid to
sang
Paris is
songs while
only
waiting for
about
his
1
arrival.
hour, but this
As
is
Taehyung
still a lot of
acknowledged the crowd
efforts
with
and
warm
very busy
smiles and
schedule.
gentle
So I
waves,
truly hope V
emotional
is doing
fans
well,
couldn't
and I
hide their
hope he gets some
excitement.
rest.
The
After
connection
today, V
between
arrived
Taehyung
at the
and
show and
ARMY
stole
has
everyone's
always been
attention like
special,
he always
and
does.
moments
He's
like
once
these
again the most
beautifully
touchable
highlight the
artist on social
genuine
media,
appreciation
and
he
yes,
has
V is
for those
definitely
who
the main
continuously
event and the
support
main
him.
highlight of
Inside the
today's
venue,
fashion show.
Taehyung continued to impress fashion insiders and celebrity guests alike. As one of Celine's most recognizable global ambassadors, his presence brought tremendous attention to the event. International media outlets immediately published articles featuring his appearance, while fashion magazines praised his styling and effortless elegance. Industry professionals noted that his attendance once again demonstrated the growing influence of K-pop artists within the luxury fashion world. The full fan cam offers viewers an unforgettable experience by capturing every exciting moment of Taehyung's arrival. From the instant he stepped out of the vehicle to his confident walk toward the entrance, every second reflects his incredible star power. Fans especially enjoy watching his genuine reactions as he acknowledges the cheering crowd, creating heartwarming memories that quickly become treasured moments within the BTS community. Social media exploded within minutes of Taehyung's appearance. Hashtags related to his arrival rapidly climbed worldwide trending lists as millions of fans shared photos, fan cams, reaction videos, and fashion analyses. His red carpet images spread across Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, and countless fan communities, generating millions of interactions within just a few hours. This remarkable online response once again proved that Taehyung possesses one of the strongest global fan bases in entertainment today. Fashion experts were equally captivated by his appearance. Many described his look as effortlessly luxurious, highlighting how he balances simplicity with sophistication. Unlike overly extravagant celebrity outfits, Taehyung's style remains refined and timeless, allowing his natural confidence to become the centerpiece. This distinctive approach has established him as one of the most influential fashion icons of his generation, inspiring fans and designers worldwide. One of the most memorable aspects of the event was Taehyung's genuine kindness toward photographers and fans. Despite the overwhelming attention surrounding him, he remained calm, respectful, and appreciative throughout the evening. His warm personality continues to earn admiration from people beyond the BTS fandom, making him beloved not only for his artistic talent but also for his humble character. The red carpet itself became one of the evening's biggest highlights, thanks to Taehyung's remarkable presence. Every pose appeared effortless, every smile genuine, and every glance perfectly suited for the flashing cameras. Professional photographers later revealed that Taehyung consistently delivers some of the most photogenic red carpet moments, making him a favorite subject during international fashion events. Paris Fashion Week has always represented the highest level of luxury fashion, attracting elite designers, celebrities, influencers, and media from around the globe. Yet, Taehyung's arrival once again demonstrated that his appearance alone can become one of the most talked about moments of the entire event. Fans eagerly awaited every new photograph and fan cam, turning his entrance into one of the biggest highlights of the fashion week. Watching the full fan cam allows viewers to experience the complete atmosphere surrounding Taehyung's unforgettable entrance. The excitement of the fans, the non-stop camera flashes, the enthusiastic media coverage, and Taehyung's elegant confidence combine to create an unforgettable moment that perfectly captures his worldwide popularity. Every smile, wave, and interaction reveals the sincerity that continues to make him one of the most admired celebrities across the globe. As BTS members continue expanding their influence individually, while maintaining their remarkable legacy together, Taehyung consistently proves that his impact reaches every corner of entertainment, from music and fashion to culture and global trends. His appearance at the Celine fashion shows during Paris Fashion Week 2026 stands as another shining example of his extraordinary ability to inspire audiences worldwide through style, confidence, and authenticity.
Te supones pa' mí, yo por ti me tiro toda la noche.